today at my 4th Street garden. Today I believe is September the 7th. I think that's correct. And it's kind of cloudy. It rained all day yesterday. And they told us that it was the sun was supposed to come out today, but now the forecast is talking about just clouds. Just cloudy. There's a little bit of sunshine there. But anyway, this down here is my last potato bed to be dug up over here. If I didn't know, I wouldn't know. But I do know that there's some potatoes down here somewhere. I couldn't tell you if it's a good crop or a bad crop. In actuality, there's still some potatoes that are very much alive. Potato plants. This has no flowers on it. It's not turning brown. I don't know. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and pull it. I mean, I've seen other people digging up their potatoes with no flowers and just as green as anything. So, you know, it's September. It's time to pull them. I'm going to pull them now. So right now I'm going to try and pull a few weeds maybe as I go. I don't know if I'm just going to pull weeds first and then try and dig up the potatoes, or pull potatoes and weed at the same time. I don't know. It's kind of a bit of a daunting task as usual. Mosquitoes are biting. I wish it was sunnier. It's kind of cold out here actually. It's like in the mid-60s. And I didn't want to come out here today, but it's been long enough. So let me get on with this task. Started, and these stems are pretty close to the ground. Or should I say the potatoes are pretty close to the ground. So I guess what I'm doing now is pulling potatoes as I pull weeds, because I mean, I just pulled some weeds and potatoes started coming, so I think I'm gonna use my trowel because soil is very loose since it just rained. And these look pretty good. They're a decent size. They're not very large, but I didn't expect much since the last couple of harvests have been not puny, but not really much to write home about, I guess. So let's see what we got going on here. I think there was one here. There's one. Anyway, I'm trying to get this done quickly, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the phone down and get to working. So I'm all done, I think. Oh, I see something. It's just a little baby potato, but every little bit counts, I think. So, this harvest was very surprising. I got some nice fat ones. This, I believe, is Kennebec. I don't remember what this one is. It's a different variety. Or maybe this is Kennebec and this is something else. I don't know. But I got a bunch of big ones like that. This bag is a lot heavier than the other two harvests worth. And so I'm excited. Because these potatoes are bigger. They're a nicer variety for cooking, and they're just nicer. They're just a nicer crop. So I got my cabbages are still doing well over here. This head is really large, really nice and tight. I think they're all kind of nice and tight, and they probably should be harvested immediately. This one over here already split because we've been having a lot of rain. So I'm probably gonna pick that now. I'll just see if I can do this with one hand. There we go. So, you know me, I don't like to waste anything. These old leaves are going to the chickens. And, anyway, I'm just gonna stick it in this bag for now. It's already dirty. Anyway, they look really nice. And I'm finally getting a few, tomatoes over here. These are Pailonita actually. They're still so small, but they're ripe, so they're ready. This little red cabbage, it's tiny, but it's solid. So, maybe next time I'll pick it and make a nice coleslaw for myself. I like that red stuff, the red cabbage for slaw, but it's really nice when you let it catch a little frost, and then it gets really sweet. And red cabbage hit by a touch of frost in like October, November is like unlike anything you've ever had before. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna see. I'm hoping that that one will last. Mosquitoes are just flying all over me. Anyway, so now I'm going over to the other side because there's a bunch of tomatoes that need to be harvested, and I don't want them to go to waste and rot. So here we go. That is my my main plot. This is replete with cattails, not cattails, foxtails. I don't know, my daughter used to call them cattails when she was little. I'm trying to pick some carrots, but the leaves broke off, leaving the root in the ground. I hate when that happens, don't you? Alright, let's see if this does better. There we go. Yeah, I just need a few anyway. I guess I'll come back for that one. My husband came to collect me, so to speak. So he just grabbed the stuff, grabbed the potatoes, and the rest. Ooh, look at that one. That one's huge. And fat. Nice. Okay, so that's plenty. And look at the marigolds. Very nice. So anyway, he's over there waiting for me. I should have told him to leave, but I really could use a ride, so anyway, here's the tomatoes. Some lovely San Marzanos. And yeah, there's a few. A little rotten fell off. Not too upset about it because I knew I would find that. I'm actually surprised there's not more that are spoiled. So anyway. So